Hey, myself Ashok, my wife Chanda, and my princess Riddhi Singh. I want to say thanks to Jay, whatever he has done for us, like to make a house as a home, and whatever the expectations we are looking for, the ultimate result was far behind that one. So I'm really thanks to Jay.
Yeah, so we were looking for good interior designer in our budget. We have searched a lot around. Then one day my husband saw the video of Excel Interior. He liked a lot. My husband was very much sure that we should go with Jay. So we met Jay in first meeting itself. He was listening our requirements and he was saying yes, everything we will be doing in your budget. So he was checking getting all our requirements, and then discussion started. We finalized to go with Jay. And the main thing is Jay has patience to listen all those requirement, and we were having lot of to and fro rather than finalizing in a go. So he had lot of patience to hear that, and finally till the time we get satisfied, he was changing the things and he was suggesting the different thing which made us think that yeah, we are on a right track and we are with the right person who will help us to have a good design. So we really appreciate the Jay's team. He has a very experienced team. So I'm really thankful to whole team of Jay, and who has helped in execution and bringing our dream home.
मैं कमल कुमार मलुकानी, माय वाइफ रेनू मलुकानी।
ये घर हमने जो बनवाया है जय सर से, इंटीरियर करवाया है, वो बहुत अच्छा बनाया है और फर्नीचर हर चीज़ बहुत अच्छी बनाई है और हमारे बजट में बनाई है। उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा सजेशन दिया है। स्पेशली मुझे किड्स रूम बहुत पसंद आया, वो बहुत अच्छा बनाया है। मेरी बेटी भी बहुत खुश है उससे, और जो भी चीज़ बनाई है वो बहुत अच्छी बनाई है और हमारे बजट में बनाई है। जय सर की पूरी टीम के लिए थैंक यू।
I definitely say to my friend, my family, and other members, as well as the viewer once it goes to YouTube, try with Jay, because the experience which you will get with Jay, you will not find in other places in some many terms. So just try with that. I definitely recommend Excel Interior. And thanks a lot, Jay and his team. And thank you very much.
Thank you.